Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Sony A7R that I have. The camera comes with 3 batteries, so I'm going to show you them one by one. So let me first show you the condition of the body. Okay, so this is the front. This is the top. Buttons all working. This is one side. This is the other side. This is the back. I tried wiping off this, but somehow it doesn't come off. I'm not sure why. Not sure what is this. But yeah, there you go. This is the condition of it. This is the bottom. Okay. Gonna put in the lens. But before that, maybe I show the lens now. It's a zoom lens, 28 to 70, FE 3.5 to 5.6. The model, Sony. Yeah, this is the model, SEL 2870. Okay. Condition of the glass behind. Let me shine a light. Okay. I'm gonna mount it on. Before that, I show you the batteries as well. One of it is third party, is Veloso. The other two is Sony. One is Sony Japan, one is Sony China. Okay. Turn on. Okay, so the zoom works. You can fire, you can focus. It's fully functional. The shutter count is I think from what I checked is 2008 or something like that. It's very low shutter count, so it's practically good as new for this unit. Buttons all work. The front part all works. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna off this. Now I'm gonna show you the battery grip. Okay, so this unit is VG-C1EM battery grip for the Sony A7R. Okay. Okay. Battery loaded in. Takes up 2 batteries. Now I'm gonna take out the battery from here, and then also need to remove the cap here. How you do it is that you see there's a button here, so you push up, but careful because it can be fragile, I think. So now that it's out, just put it in, and then you lock. Yeah. So this is how it looks like with the grip. It's pretty big, but you get long battery life. So pro and cons. Okay, so now I'm gonna on. And so yeah, it works. And to use the grip for portrait shots, I mean like portrait composed shots, that means a straight vertical shot, you can on here so that you can fire using the trigger here. See? So it works. The settings, if I turn here, it actually changed the mode. If I turn in front, it does the same. You also change some settings, so I think you can set the thing, but I never used an A7 before, so I'm not familiar. Just show you guys that this thing works. What's this? Okay, anyways, so it works, and yeah, there you go. Any questions you can ask me. Can put on the cap. Off. Alright, so this is the camera. It doesn't stand. Okay. Maybe I lean it on my phone. Okay, anyways. The charger comes with the camera, so BCTRW. Okay. So there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.